Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to do the formal unboxing of my new Nomad leather case for iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you might be knowing that Nomad makes the best leather cases for different brands like iPhone, and they have online shop from which they send worldwide. Now Nomad cases are the costliest iPhone cases, you can say, and in India, when I ordered it online, the price was $49 and around $40 was the charge for shipping, and it came through customs clearance and I had to submit my KYC. So this is the pack. Let me unbox it. It came in a beautiful FedEx pack. I think I can directly peel it from here. This is how it looks. You can see the leather with beautiful patina, and here it is. Look at this cover, and I think it supports MagSafe as well, and it's made of woven leather. It's basically a horse leather made from a special part of horse leather, and there is no documentation. This is beautiful brown rugged case. Now let me put it on to the phone. So this is the 12 Pro Max, and I am just setting it up. I have to adjust the screen guard. So for that I am just opening it once again. Just a sec. And this is how it looks. Look at how beautiful this is. Thanks for watching.